Today we are going to discuss about the topic diet. Diet is the sum of food consumed by a person or other organism. The word diet often implies the use of specific intake of nutrition for health or weight management reasons. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is one that fulfills all of a person's nutritional needs. Human needs a certain amount of calories and nutrients to stay healthy. A balanced diet provides all the nutrients a person requires without going over the recommended daily calorie intake. A diet which gives the body all the nutritional requirements in the right proportion is known as a balanced diet. What are the 7 things you need for a balanced diet? The categories include carbohydrates, protein, fat, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. They are sugars, starches, and dietary fiber that occur in plant foods and dairy products. Carbohydrates, also known as saccharides or carbs, provide energy for the body. Each gram of carbohydrate provides 4 calories. The body breaks carbohydrates down into glucose, which is the primary energy source for the brain and the muscles. Carbohydrates are classified as either monosaccharide, disaccharide, or polysaccharide depending upon the number of simple sugars present in the carbohydrate compound. Carbohydrates are one of 3 macronutrients, which are nutrients that the body needs in larger amounts. The other macronutrients are protein and fats. Monosaccharides are the simple sugars that cannot be made to a simpler form. The most common monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, and galactose. Glucose is formed as a natural sugar in food or it can be synthesized in our body. Glucose is used directly by the cells for resynthesis of energy stored in the muscles and in the liver as glycogen or converted to fat to be stored as energy in the adipose tissues. Disaccharides. Disaccharides are 2 sugar molecules joined together. Examples include lactose, that is found in milk, and sucrose or table sugar, which is made up of glucose and fructose. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are chains of many sugars. They can consist of hundreds or thousands of monosaccharides. Polysaccharides act as stores for plants and animals. Examples include glycogen, which stores energy in the liver and muscles. Starches, which are abundant in potatoes, rice, and wheat. Cellulose, one of the main structural components of plants. Foods high in carbohydrate include bread, pasta, beans, potatoes, rice, and cereals. Why carbohydrates are so important for athletes? Carbohydrates are the fuel that makes the body's engine run, and athletes need plenty of carbohydrates before, during, and after exercise. What is the importance of carbohydrates for athletes? Carbohydrates improve athletic performance by delaying fatigue and allowing an athlete to compete at higher levels for longer duration. Next category of food items are fat. A small amount of fat is essential part of a healthy, balanced diet. Fat is essential for the proper functioning of the body. Fat provides essential fatty acids which are not made by the body and must be obtained from food. They are important for controlling inflammation, blood clotting, and brain development. Fat is a source of essential fatty acids which the body cannot make itself. Fat helps the body absorb vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. The vitamins are fat soluble, which means they can only be absorbed with the help of fats. Fat is essential for controlling inflammation, blood clotting, and brain development. Look at this picture. The extra calories we eat will be stored in the body as excess fat. The fat that accumulates in the adipose tissue helps our body to insulate from extreme cold conditions. Next food category is protein. Proteins are the major structural components of cells, enzymes, and many hormones. Protein is necessary for growth and it is also needed for the repair and maintenance of body tissues. Proteins are also potential source of energy, but they are generally spared when fats and carbohydrates are available in adequate quantities. Next category of food items are fibers. Fiber is the indigestible parts of plant foods such as vegetables, fruits, grains, beans and legumes. It is type of a carbohydrate that helps keep our digestive systems healthy. What are the benefits of fiber? Dietary fiber is mainly needed to keep the digestive system healthy. It also contributes to the other processes such as stabilizing glucose and cholesterol levels. In countries with traditionally high fiber diets, diseases such as bowel cancer, diabetes, and coronary heart diseases are much less common than in Western countries. Next category of food items are vitamins. Vitamins are micronutrients required by the body to carry out a range of normal functions. However, these micronutrients are not produced in our bodies and must be derived from the food we eat. Vitamins are classified as water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins. The water-soluble vitamins are vitamin C and B complex vitamins. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C has many functions. It helps to protect the cells and keeping them healthy. It maintains a healthy skin, blood vessels, bones and cartilages. It also helping with wound healing. The deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease called scurvy. The vitamin C rich foods are the citrus fruits such as oranges and orange juice, peppers, strawberries, papaya, broccoli, guava, potatoes, kiwi fruits and tomatoes. Vitamin B complex is composed of 8 vitamins: B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. Vitamin B complex helps prevent infections and helps support or promote cell health, growth of RBC, energy levels, good eyesight, healthy brain function, good digestion, healthy appetite, proper nerve function, hormones and cholesterol production, cardiovascular health and muscle tone. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is naturally present in many foods. Vitamin A also helps the heart, lungs, kidneys and other organs work properly. These are the functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for your health, supporting cell growth, immune function, fetal development and vision. These are the foods rich in vitamin A: sweet potato, kale, dried apricots, broccoli, egg yolks, mango, tomatoes, cheese and butter. Deficiency of vitamin A causes a disease called night blindness. Vitamin D. A human body produces vitamin D as a response to sun exposure. A person can also boost their vitamin D intake through certain foods or supplements. Vitamin D is essential for several reasons, including maintaining healthy bones and teeth. It may also protect against a range of diseases and conditions such as type 1 diabetes. These are the sources of vitamin D. Oily fish such as salmon, red meat, liver, egg yolks, fortified foods such as some fat spreads and breakfast cereals. Deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease called rickets. Vitamin E. Vitamin E helps maintain healthy skin and eyes and strengthen the body's natural defense against illness and infection. The sources of vitamin E include plantoids such as rapeseed, sunflower, soya, corn, and olive oil, nuts and seeds. Vitamin E is an important fat-soluble antioxidant and has been in use for more than 50 years in dermatology. It is an important ingredient in many cosmetic products. It protects the skin from various deleterious effects due to solar radiation by acting as a free radical scavenger. Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a key role in helping the blood clot, preventing excessive bleeding. Good natural food sources of vitamin K include vegetables like spinach, asparagus and broccoli, legumes like soybeans. Deficiency of vitamin K causes excessive bleeding from wound. Next category of food items are minerals. Minerals in food are the elements present in food that are required by our body to develop and function properly. The major minerals which are used and stored in large quantities in the body are calcium, chloride, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and sulfur. You only need small amounts of trace minerals. They include iron, manganese, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt, fluoride and selenium. Calcium. Calcium is a mineral that is necessary for life. In addition to building bones and keeping them healthy, calcium enables our blood to clot, our muscles to contract, and our heart to beat. About 99% of the calcium in our body is in our bones and teeth. The calcium-rich food sources are dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are high in calcium. Certain green vegetables, some juices, soy milk, cereals, breads. Chloride. Chloride is found in table salt or sea salt as sodium chloride. It's also found in many vegetables. Foods with higher amounts of chloride include seaweed, rye, tomatoes, lettuce, celery, and olives. Chloride combined with potassium is also found in many foods. Magnesium. Magnesium is an extremely important mineral. It's involved in hundreds of chemical reactions in your body and helps you maintain good health. Here are some healthy foods that are high in magnesium: dark chocolate, avocados, nuts, legumes, tofu, seeds, whole grains, some fatty fish. Phosphorus. Phosphorus can be found in foods and is naturally found in protein-rich foods such as meats, poultry, fish, nuts, beans, and dairy products. Phosphorus found in animal foods is absorbed more easily than phosphorus found in plant foods. Potassium. Potassium is a mineral in your cells. It helps your nerves and muscles work as they should. The right balance of potassium also keeps your heart beating at a steady rate. Food sources of potassium are bananas, oranges, honeydew, apricots, grapefruit, etc. Cooked spinach, cooked broccoli, potatoes, sweet potatoes, mushrooms, peas, and cucumbers. Next mineral is sodium. Sodium is found naturally in foods, but a lot of it is added during processing and preparation. Many foods that do not taste salty may still be high in sodium. Large amount of sodium can be hidden in canned, processed and convenience foods. Sodium foods are smoked, cured, salted or canned meat, fish or poultry, frozen breaded meats and dinners such as burritos and pizza, pickles, sauces, hot dogs, canned meats, poultry and seafood, salted nuts, macaroni and cheese, sandwiches, beans canned with salt added. Next mineral is sulfur. Sulfur is the third most abundant mineral in your body. Why you need sulfur? Your body needs sulfur to build and fix your DNA and protect your cells from damage that can lead to serious diseases such as cancers. Sulfur also assists your body to metabolize food and contributes to the health of your skin, tendons and ligaments. The foods rich in sulfur are turkey, beef, eggs, fish and chicken, nuts, seeds, grains and legumes, chickpeas, couscous, eggs, lentils, oats, turkey and walnuts, allium vegetables, cruciferous vegetables, whole grains, leafy green vegetables. Water. Getting enough water every day is important for your health. Drinking water can prevent dehydration. Water helps your body keep a normal temperature. Look at the benefits of drinking water. It carries nutrients and oxygen to your cells. It helps in flushing out bacteria from your bladder. It aids digestion, prevents constipation, normalizes blood pressure, stabilizes the heartbeat, cushioning joints, protects the organs and tissues.